Hey guys, we got the boat. We're about to head to the boat ramp and go fishing. We're gonna have a very good day. We're gonna catch lots of fish. It's kind of overcast, a little cold, but we're gonna toughen it out and catch fish. Hey guys, we're at the boat ramp. As you can tell, it's pretty windy out. We got the boat in the water. We're about to head out and go fishing. I'm gonna put you on the chest mount and I'll see you guys out on the water in a bit. Got him.
Make sure you work into the boat. Get that boat. Pin, bro. Get that down. Don't let it fall off. Get the damn thing down. That's the pin. That's the elusive pin.
Got the elusive pin.
Put that sucker right in the live well.
Live well?
Oh, yeah. Well, we're gonna cut it. Get away from that freaking crab. That crab should be good frozen.
Crab's gonna eat her up. Well guys, caught me a good pinfish. That's gonna catch us a big old drum. That's good cut bait. Good cut bait. I wasn't recording.
Yeah, that's a good black bass. You gotta let that go. It's too small. Those are delicious.
Are they really? Well, I wasn't recording, gosh dang it. I caught this little black bass. Dang it, I wasn't recording. Yeah, I just put a new battery in, so I stopped the recording, but black bass, there he goes. Yeah, but I get 4 days to fish.
Oh, I know.
Ooh, got him.
Okay. Oh, straight up. Tighten your drag. Let me see what you got. If it's a sheep's head, let me try it again. Don't dare try to lift up the sheep's head. Don't dare try to lift up the sheep's head. Okay, let it run. Just let it run. Let it run. You're gonna have to fight this fish. You're gonna have to fight it. You're gonna have to wear it out. Let it run. Just let it run. That's a good fish. That's probably a black drum. Are you on?
Yeah.
On? Good. Just let it run. Don't mess with this fish. Wear it out. You're gonna have to wear it out. Let the rod do the work. You're gonna have to wear it out. Either a good red. Is it head shaking a lot?
Yeah.
Probably a redfish.
Woo.
Maybe a stingray. Wear it out. Don't overburden it. Let it pull drag. Keep pressure on it. Don't dare take pressure on it. If it wants to run, then you come down here. If it goes over the boat, you have to get in the boat and work it around the outside of the boat. Keep pressure on it. Keep pressure. Let it run if it wants to. This is not a bass fishing deal, dude. This is not Bassmaster where 10 seconds flicking the boat. Keep pressure on that fish. Just keep pressure on it. You're doing great. A little different for you, isn't it? Okay, your adrenaline flowing right now. Good. Head to the back of this boat.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump in the boat if it heads back there.
Or try to turn its head. Put your pole low and turn it. Turn it. Okay, you got the redfish. Bring it to me.
That's a big red.
You're gonna have to work it to me. It's oversized. You're gonna bring it to me. Keep turn it towards me. No. Pull it back up. Get back up.
Got it! Let's go, Uncle Jim! Yes! Got it! Give me a hug. Look at that redfish.
That's you, nephew.
That is a nice red.
Perfect hook set. It's a little bit too long. So we're letting this one go. You got some pictures.
Lift it up out of there.
He's getting loose.
Look at that red. Yes.
Beautiful redfish. How about that? We're going to put this on the tape measure. I'm going to put it on the nose. See if its tail is 27. Pinch the tail. How long is it?
It's under 27.
We got it. Keep her.
Yes! Give me nuts.
That's a beautiful beautiful top of the slot redfish.
Right here.
Florida, just real gentle.
Heck yeah, that is a big redfish. That's what I came here for. That
This is
is
it,
what
guys.
I came here for.
This is it right
Nice
here.
red, 27 inches, perfect.
20. That's about a 26-inch redfish. We're gonna grill that tonight. No chicken wings tonight, baby. Hang on to it tight.
Great reds.
Look at that beautiful spot on
That
it.
was a good fight too.
Yeah, let me come around this way. What a great spot on that fish. You wore it out just like I told you to. That's that Cabela's reel we just bought, brand new, first fish caught on it.
Whoa, that is a nice red.
Gorgeous redfish. That's keeper all the way, son.
Keeper, 27 inches. Let's get some pics.
Let's take it up there for pics. Hold it tight. Can you climb up?
Woo! You know those guys are pissed watching us. Let's go! That's why I came here. That's why I came here, was to catch this redfish. Shout out to my pops. He taught me everything I know. Thanks, Dad. That's a nice red.
Beautiful redfish.
We're hooked up.
Crazy bluefish. Let's see what we got.
What is it? Bluefish. Yep.
Poop everywhere, man.
Well, Uncle Jim got the first hookup. Yeah. Let me get that release. There he goes. What's up, guys? I just finished editing the video. I'm gonna end it right here. I just want to say that was an amazing day. We kind of got out a little late. I hooked up on that red. That's the biggest red fish of my life. That's what I came out here for, was that big old red. My Uncle Jim hooked it up, got me on it. My dad raised me fishing my whole life. I was a little kid catching redfish. Not that big though, but shout out to my dad. He's taught me a lot about fishing. It's pretty much my life passion. If you guys could help me out though, just hit the subscribe button. That'll help me. I want to do this for a living one day, maybe fish professionally. But that was a fun day. We caught a bluefish, is what my Uncle Jim caught. Pinfish was that bait fish. We also I caught a black bass. I wasn't filming. You guys saw it. And then that sweet redfish. I also made a catch and cook video. We filleted the redfish and we fried it up we made our own French fries out of potatoes. We sliced them up. It was delicious. It was so good. Go check out that video. It's on my channel. It'll be on my channel. It's a catch and cooked redfish. And it was so good. Fish tastes so good. It was literally barely under 27 inches. It was perfect size for eating. Perfect size. Because if you catch anything over 27 inches, then you can't keep. You got to let it go. So it was a fun day. I'm talking a lot now. I'll let you guys go. Hit the subscribe button. Like the video. We have a whole week of fishing ahead of us. I have a lot of cool videos. We're going to be catching more fish just like that. Sea bass out.